Norway's dramatic fjords carve deep into the coastline, forming one of the most stunning landscapes in the world. Glacial rivers and fjords intertwine, creating a labyrinth of waterways surrounded by cliffs. Towering mountains dominate the north, shaping weather and ecosystems. Oslo, Norwegian's capital, thrives at the edge of nature, blending modern life with rugged landscapes. Coastal cities connect communities, trade, and culture across fjords and seas. The flag symbolizes unity across fjords, mountains, and islands. Northern lights dance across the Arctic sky, adding magic to Norway's natural beauty. Norway Sefjord, where fjords, mountains, and the aurora create an unforgettable spectacle.